In this video, we are going to see that if your Facebook Messenger voice and video calls are not properly working, especially with Microsoft Edge, here's how you can easily resolve that. First of all, just close Microsoft Edge browser. And we want to head over to the start menu. And right here, Windows settings, or just right here, settings. And from here, we click on the privacy and security. And if we scroll down, we can see the app permission section where we can see this camera option. Click on that. And from here in the camera access, make sure that it is toggled on, because if it is not, it will not allow any of the application to run correctly or connect with your video camera. And here, if you have the application shown for WhatsApp or for Facebook, you can toggle that individually on. Right now, I haven't installed the Facebook application. That's why it's not showing here. And it also says let desktop app access to your camera, like Google Chrome, Brave browser and all. So you want to make sure that it is here. And that option can be enabled when you are using the browser. You turn on the camera access. It asks you for that option on the browser. Let me show that. And we go back. We scroll down again and click on the microphone, and similar thing here. We want to toggle that on, and for individual apps as well, we want to turn that on. And as you can see, Microsoft Edge is also have access for that. What we can also do is from the Microsoft Edge, we click on the settings, and here we write here camera. We set the camera here and we allow it from here. And after that, when you toggle that all on, you might need to restart your computer once in order to make this effective. And after that, just try running it and it should work perfectly. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.